This machine, don't know much about it other than it runs. The engine fires up. The fuel line does have a fuel shutoff. It did backfire on us the first time we ran it. Earlier there in the video, I'd forgotten to turn this fuel shutoff back on, so that's why it died on me. Whenever it starts, it kind of makes it sounds like the starter may be going out, but it does start and run. Deck comes on okay. Transmission, forward and reverse, up and down hills just fine. Does sound like a pulley bearing is giving out. You can kind of hear that in the video, a pulley, likely tensioner pulley for the belt. We've got a Kohler CV14S. We'll be selling that engine complete as is. We'll see if we have a top to put on here. Selling the mower deck and the transmission. This machine did have a sprayer on it, but we've taken that off, as you can see here. If you have any questions about it, we'll be listing parts off of this machine on our eBay storefront. If you have any questions about it, let us know. Thanks for watching.